Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is for flourless fudge cookies. So I started off with 2.5 cups of powdered sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then to that I added some unsweetened cocoa powder. So I added 3/4 a cup and mixed that really well. Then I have 4 egg whites and a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I'm going to add that liquid to the dry mixture. And it takes a while to mix it until it starts to come together, but it definitely does, and it gets pretty thick. It reminds me a lot of brownie batter. And once you have all that mixed, it will look like this. Then you could add in your chocolate chips. We're using 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, which is just under a full bag. You're going to mix that pretty well. Then preheat the oven to 350 degrees, line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and lightly grease them. And then I used a little cookie scooper. And as soon as I started putting them on the tray, I'm like, I don't know about these. They started spreading out. And getting liquidy, but I went with it and I triple checked I made the recipe right, and I definitely did. So this is what they look like when they come out. They're really thin. Kind of reminds me of like that brownie brittle, if you've ever had that, except for it's not crunchy, it's chewy. It tastes like a thin brownie. They're really good. If I make them again, I would make them a little bit smaller, but yeah, everyone liked them. They're really good and super easy to make. So leave me a comment below if you decide to make these and let me know what you thought. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.